Choosing the right CRM for your business is crucial for its success. It's essential to find one that aligns with your specific requirements and is easy for your team to use. Today, we're putting GoHighLevel and Zoho head-to-head to help you figure out which one is the best fit for your business. Both platforms offer a suite of tools to manage customers, automate processes, and streamline workflows. However, GoHighLevel's primary focus is marketing automation and lead conversion, whereas Zoho offers a wide range of applications designed to handle various aspects of a business, from sales and HR to finance. Before we compare the two, let's get a clear picture of what each platform brings to the table. What is Zoho? Zoho is like a massive toolbox for businesses. It's not just a CRM, it's a full-blown ecosystem of over 40 different apps that help businesses manage sales, marketing, customer service, accounting, HR, and even IT support. If you need software to handle some part of your business, Zoho probably has an app for it. One of the biggest selling points of Zoho is its customizability. You can tweak it to fit your exact needs, whether you're a solopreneur or running a very large company. But with great power comes a learning curve. Since Zoho offers so many different features, getting everything set up the way that you want can take some time. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is built with one clear goal in mind: helping businesses get more leads and convert them into paying customers. It's a one-stop shop for marketing agencies, coaches, consultants, and service-based businesses that need an all-in-one tool for sales funnels, automation, appointment scheduling, and customer communication. If your business depends on generating leads and closing deals, this platform is designed to make the process easier and more automated. So now that we've got the basics covered, let's dive into the key differences between these two platforms. Features and capabilities. Both Zoho and GoHighLevel offer a ton of useful features, but they serve different purposes. Let's break it down. CRM and customer management. Zoho started as a CRM, so it naturally excels in customer relationship management. It offers powerful tools for content management, sales tracking, and reporting. If you need a CRM that gives you deep insights into customer behavior, lead scoring, and workflow automation, Zoho is a solid choice. Now, GoHighLevel also has a CRM, but it's more streamlined and geared towards businesses that prioritize speed over complexity. The CRM is directly integrated with marketing automation tools, meaning that businesses can easily track customer interactions and ensure that no leads fall through the cracks. If your business relies on quick conversions and automated outreach, GoHighLevel makes it much easier to stay on top of customer interactions without excessive manual input. Customization and integrations. Zoho is incredibly customizable. You can tweak workflows, set up custom dashboards, and integrate it with hundreds of third-party apps. If you want a CRM that fits into your existing ecosystem, Zoho is a great choice. But keep in mind, more customization means more complexity, and you might need an expert to help you get everything working smoothly. Zoho's ecosystem is vast, allowing businesses to pick and choose the exact tools they need. But this modular approach can sometimes lead to decision fatigue or a disjointed user experience if not implemented properly. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is designed to work out of the box. It's not as customizable as Zoho, but it integrates with most major marketing tools and platforms like Zapier, Stripe, and Google My Business. Plus, it offers white labeling, which is a huge deal for agencies that want to brand the platform as their own and resell CRM services under their name. This makes GoHighLevel a highly attractive option for agencies looking to offer an all-in-one solution to their clients without having to develop their own software. Marketing and sales automation. So marketing automation is where GoHighLevel truly shines. It comes packed with tools to help businesses attract leads, nurture them, and close deals. You can build sales funnels, send automated emails and texts, and even manage your entire social media presence all from one dashboard. The ability to automate follow-ups and integrate marketing campaigns seamlessly into the customer journey makes GoHighLevel a go-to platform for agencies and sales-driven businesses. Zoho also offers marketing automation, but it's not as tightly integrated within its CRM. To get the same level of automation as GoHighLevel, you'd need to mix and match multiple Zoho apps, which can get a little complicated. Businesses using Zoho often find themselves integrating additional software or working within a more fragmented system to achieve the same fluidity that GoHighLevel offers right out of the box. topics: user experience and learning curve. If you're looking for a CRM that is easy to use, GoHighLevel is definitely the better option. It's designed for marketers and business owners who don't want to spend weeks figuring out how to use the software. The interface is straightforward and most features are drag and drop, making it extremely intuitive for users who may not be as tech savvy. Zoho, while powerful, has a steeper learning curve. Because it offers so many features, navigating the system can feel overwhelming at first. If you're tech savvy or have a team to help with setup, then this might not be an issue. However, smaller businesses or those new to CRMs may find it difficult to get started. The trade-off for Zoho's deep customizability is that users often need to dedicate more time up front to fully understand and configure the platform to their needs. Pricing breakdown. Pricing is a huge factor when choosing a CRM. So let's compare the cost of these two platforms. So let's go ahead and take a look at Zoho's pricing. So you can go ahead and save up to 34% if you pay annually. So for their standard plan, that's $14 per month. The professional plan is $23 per month. The enterprise plan is $40 per month. And the ultimate plan is $52 per month. Now, taking a look at the monthly pricing, we can see that those prices go up a bit. But if you're not quite ready or willing to commit to a full year, then you can go ahead and get started with the monthly pricing. So taking a look here at the standard plan, you get all the essentials. You get mass email, custom modules, workflows, cadences, sales forecasting, lookup fields, Canvas, and an Office 365 integration along with the Zoho marketplace. In the professional, you get all that plus Blueprint, CPQ, sales signals, inventory management, webhooks, assignment rules, validation rules, Kiosk Studio, and Google Ads integration. The enterprise plan gets you the AI assistant Zia, territory management, custom functions, journey orchestration, multi-user portals, page layouts, client scripts, approval process, and sandbox. Their ultimate plan at $52 per month billed annually gets you everything in enterprise, plus enhanced feature limits, extended AI capabilities, advanced customization, data preparation, augmented analytics, data storytelling, unified business insights, and advanced administration. Now, taking a look at GoHighLevel's pricing, it's a lot more simple. They have two plans: the starter plan at $97 per month and the unlimited plan at $297 per month. So the starter plan gets you all the tools to capture more leads, nurture and close leads into customers. It gets you full online booking, pipelines, social calendar, a website builder, and more. It's good for unlimited contacts and users, so you can add as many contacts and users as you need. And you can set up to 3 sub accounts. And the unlimited plan, you get everything in that starter plan, plus the API access to integrate with anything. Unlimited sub accounts, so as many clients accounts as you need for one price. And the branded desktop app, so you can get custom domains and complete control over the look and feel of the platform. So Zoho's pricing is more flexible, but it can add up quickly if you need multiple features. GoHighLevel's pricing is flat rate, which can be more cost effective for agencies and larger teams. Which one should you choose? You should choose GoHighLevel if you run a marketing agency, a coaching business, or a service-based company, and you need a CRM that helps you generate leads, automate follow-ups, and close deals quickly. If you don't want to deal with integrations and you just want an all-in-one marketing powerhouse, GoHighLevel is the way to go. Choose Zoho if you need a more traditional CRM with deep customization and strong business management tools. If you want something that can handle customer relationships, accounting, HR, and project management all in one place, Zoho is a great choice. At the end of the day, the right choice depends on what your business needs most. So both GoHighLevel and Zoho are fantastic platforms, but they cater to different types of businesses. If you need a CRM that doubles as a marketing powerhouse, GoHighLevel is the better pick. But if you want a customizable, all-in-one business suite, Zoho is the stronger option. If you want to check out either of the platforms, we'll have links for you down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we make videos dedicated to helping new and existing entrepreneurs get started and succeed in business, so be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thanks for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.